NASA once lost a spacecraft worth hundreds of millions of dollars because of one tiny mistake. Not an asteroid, not aliens, not a dramatic explosion. A screw. One screw. Humanity spent years building advanced space technology, launched it into the heavens using some of the smartest people on Earth, and then got emotionally destroyed by hardware smaller than a chicken nugget. This is why aliens don't talk to us. Because imagine observing humanity from another galaxy. They split the atom. Incredible. They landed on the moon. Amazing. They lost a spacecraft because Greg forgot to tighten space IKEA furniture. Absolutely embarrassing. And today we are diving into one of the most ridiculous, expensive, and painfully human disasters in space history. Because this story somehow gets worse every 5 minutes. Now, before we begin, let's establish something important. Space missions are unbelievably complicated. You are launching fragile scientific equipment into a giant death vacuum using controlled explosion. That sentence alone sounds mentally unstable. Every spacecraft contains millions of parts. Bolts, wires, panels, computers, fuel systems. It's basically humanity balancing expensive electronics on top of fire and praying mathematics behaves. And somehow it usually works, which honestly feels fake. Now, the disaster we're talking about involved a satellite mission that cost an absolutely horrifying amount of money. Hundreds of millions. The kind of budget where accountants start sweating through their skeleton. And the spacecraft itself was designed for years by teams of engineers so intelligent they probably solve calculus problems recreation. Accidentally leave one tiny component loose inside a spacecraft moving at thousands of miles per hour? Congratulations, you have created an international emotional crisis. Now, this specific disaster involved a tiny screw or fastener issue that triggered catastrophic failure. And honestly, the details sound like the universe itself was mocking humanity, because engineers discovered that a small component likely vibrated loose during launch, which sounds harmless, until you remember rockets launch with the subtle energy of a building being punched by God. Everything shakes violently. The entire spacecraft experiences extreme vibration, heat, pressure, acceleration, and stress. Imagine duct taping your laptop to a volcano. That's basically launch condition. And apparently the loose hardware affected critical systems, which led to loss of control, communication failure, mission instability. At this point, engineers were probably aging in real time. Imagine spending 10 years building something, only to watch it die because a microscopic metal idiot escaped containment. That screw became public enemy number one. If they could have arrested it, they would have. And honestly, this happens more often than humanity likes admitting. Space history is full of catastrophes caused by hilariously tiny mistakes. One missing number, one software error, one loose component. Boom, hundreds of millions gone. At one point, NASA literally lost a Mars orbiter because one engineering team used metric units while another used imperial. I am not joking. Humanity lost a spacecraft because scientists accidentally mixed kilometers with freedom units. That is the most human disasters imaginable. Aliens absolutely saw that and started laughing. Imagine building interplanetary technology only to get defeated by basic math confusion. Spacecraft probably arrived at Mars like, brother, where are we? And honestly, the more you learn about space disasters, the more terrifying engineering becomes. Imagine being that engineer. You discover the entire catastrophe happened because a small screw loosened during launch. At that point, you either laugh hysterically or walk directly into the ocean. No middle ground. And honestly, space hardware itself is unbelievable. Every component has to survive impossible conditions: extreme heat, extreme cold, radiation, vacuum, violent launch force. Even ordinary screws in spacecraft are basically elite athletes. Your average Home Depot screw would explode emotionally within minutes. Space hardware is built different. And yet, despite all the advanced engineering, tiny failures still destroy missions because physics is cruel, space is crueler, and launch vibrations are apparently horrifying. During liftoff, spacecraft shake violently in ways that sound emotionally illegal. Everything rattles, everything flecks, the rocket screams like a demon-powered blender. Astronauts describe launches as controlled chaos. Controlled chaos is not a phrase that should exist in transportation. Imagine boarding an airplane and the pilot says, "Welcome aboard, everyone. Today's flight will involve controlled chaos, immediate evacuation." But rockets? That's normal. And somehow delicate scientific instruments survive this nonsense. At some point, the spacecraft probably develops trust issues. And despite all that testing, tiny failures still happen. That's how difficult space. Humans are trying to operate precision machinery in one of the most hostile environments imaginable. Meanwhile, most of us can't even assemble office chairs. It's correct perspective. And honestly, the emotional energy inside mission control during disasters must be unbelievable. Imagine staring at giant monitors while millions of dollars slowly stop responding. Nobody screaming, nobody panicking, just silent engineers suffering. One guy whispering, "That's not good." And in engineering language, "That's not good" usually means we are about to become a case study. Then come the investigation. Oh, the investigation. Entire teams analyzing telemetry data like detectives solving a murder committed by physics. Because space failures are never simple. There's always chains of events. One small issue triggers another, then another, then another. Engineering dominant. And space disasters have produced some unbelievable stories. Exploding rockets, lost probes, satellite collisions. At one point, a spacecraft literally slammed into Mars because engineers miscalculated atmospheric end. Imagine traveling millions of miles just to faceplant into another planet. That's interplanetary embarrassment. And somehow the public rarely hears about most of these incidents because successful missions dominate headline. Nobody wants to read. International team emotionally destroyed by bolt. But honestly, those stories are fast because they reveal how unbelievably fragile advanced technology really is. civilization depends on tiny things functioning correct. One screw, one line of code, one calculation. That's it. Humanity's greatest achievements balance on microscopic detail, which is terrifying when you think about modern society. Satellites control communications, GPS, weather forecasting, banking systems. If orbit suddenly stopped working, civilization would immediately start. People can't survive 10 minutes without maps. Humanity would start driving directly into lakes. Every failed mission adds more junk to orbit, broken satellite, fragments, panels. Earth orbit is basically becoming the galaxy's messiest garage, and every tiny piece moves insanely fast. Even small debris can destroy spacecraft instantly. At orbital velocity, a loose bolt basically becomes divine punishment, which means the screw that caused this disaster could theoretically become dangerous space junk itself. Imagine causing catastrophe and then becoming additional catastrophe. That screw had villain energy. And you know engineers become emotionally attached to missions. These spacecraft are their babies. They spend years designing systems, solving problems, running tests, then launch day arrives and everyone pretends to stay calm while internally collapsing. One tiny issue during launch and suddenly grown adults are stressed. Drinking coffee like survival depends on caffeine, which honestly it probably does. Then when disasters happen, silent, the horrible kind, because everyone realizes years of work just disappeared into space. And the worst part? Sometimes failures happen so quickly there's nothing anyone can do. 1 second telemetry looks normal. The next second, static. That's it. Game over. The universe doesn't care how expensive your mission was. Space is brutally indifferent, which honestly makes successful missions even more impressive. Every functioning spacecraft is basically an engineering miracle. The International Space Station, miracle. Mars rovers, miracle. Voyager probe still transmitting after decades? Witchcraft, honest. And despite disasters, humanity keeps pushing forward because curiosity always wins. Humans see impossible challenges and immediately become obsessed. Climb mountains, cross oceans, go to space. Even when the odds are terrible, even when one tiny screw can destroy everything. And honestly, maybe that's why these stories matter, because they show the reality behind technological achievement. Not perfection, persistent, failure, learning, retrying. Human progress is basically intelligent people repeatedly getting humbled by physics and sometimes hardware. Then there's the terrifying realization that modern civilization depends on people paying attention to microscopic details constantly. Aircraft, nuclear plant, medical systems, satellite. Everything works because engineers obsess over tiny components. That's both comforting and horrifying. Comforting because brilliant people care deeply about safety. Horrifying because apparently all civilization rests on screws behaving responsibly. Fantastic. And honestly, the screw itself probably costs like 12 cents. 12 cents! Imagine destroying hundreds of millions in hardware while personally costing less than a gas station sandwich pickle. That ratio is unbelievable. Tiny object, massive consequence. That's basically engineering in one sense. And the engineers involved probably replayed the failure endlessly afterward. Could we have caught it? Tested differently? Designed better? That's the burden of high-stakes engineering. Mistakes become history. But here's the important part. Space programs learn from failure. Every disaster improves future missions. Every catastrophe teaches painfully, expensively, sometimes embarrassing, but progress still happens. Humanity keep climbing, even after explosions, even after failures, even after emotionally devastating screw-ins. And honestly, that persistence is incredible. Even after one tiny screw absolutely ruined everybody's year. If you enjoyed this chaos, like the video, subscribe, come back for more completely unnecessary insanity.